As a responsible adult, I cannot recommend that you do not, try this yourself until you're an adult. Because you may electrocute yourself. And just to point out, I got my music going on. I was able to match the rainbow strip just with an area of the picture that's like lines across. So that's Wallpaper Engine, by the way. And my phone is on a tripod, so I will not be holding it. And as you can see, there are some art books there, more for sound suppression than for keeping heat in. They do get a bit warm, but not too hot, because I have a liquid cooler. Oop. And I keep my computer on books because the carpet is a bit soft. And maybe I should move this forwards. Might be easier. I don't know, it might not be easier to see. Also, I couldn't get the recycling bin to move, so that's stuck on my desktop. I was thinking of unplugging my CPU cooler. I have a lot of wires. It's very dark in there. Should I get my torch? Sure. Ooh. Anyway, do I even... No, my torch. No. I was thinking of giving it a nice colour of... Not... Oh, yeah. I guess that did work. Long enough. One can never be too prepared. Reasonably warm today though. I'm going to move this closer. Yep. Okay, so that's nearly head on. I have these LED strips things, 15 centimeters with 40 centimeter cables from this place on eBay, or this seller even. So we shall see how that goes. Thankfully I have no shroud in this case like in my old case, which I still have, so I can get to the Molex connectors, but I'm probably going to go on the other side for that. I have unplugged all three of my Molex powered fans because, well, they produce no noise, very loud noise. And even though Microsoft supposedly removed their Windows 11 check app, I still have it, so I don't know if that means I'll have to uninstall it. I probably will eventually, but not right now. Probably should have gone with the silent PC case, because I'm just... okay, whatever. I'm just gonna test them first, just to see if they work. So anyway, this is like a unboxing. Unboxing, DIY, install, so I can get them out of the bag. Moment of truth to see if they work. They're not too flimsy, which is good, I guess. Let's see, according to this, do I plug it in to a Molex? Oh, that's right. Molex goes into this, I'm gonna guess. So an issue with Molex is trying to get them to line up. Nope, not lining up. They're gonna need one. I have to use a different Molex connector. Oh, it's taking too long. Oof. Wait, I shall move you slightly closer. Maybe I should go around the corner or inside. This may take a while. There's another box here to test. It's the only issue with Molex is trying to make sure that they line up correctly. Not quite. Why does this one have 2 wires going to each one? That's kind of odd. Maybe we shouldn't have used the electrical tape to tie them together. And those are the fans. What about for the SSD? No, best not try and pull that out by accident. Okay. Scissors on here. Oh well. And we'll work this out eventually. That's not secure, of course. So if we tilt that up, those go down. If we tilt that up and down, those go up. Will they fit? No. We only need the one to go up, so tilt that one down. I believe that is as close as I'm gonna get. Pretty in there. I just apparently, oh god, maybe I didn't. Okay, so they said they were magnetic, but these have 3M tape on them, so we shall see how that goes. Oh, they're also on the wrong side, so I think it will be good, but they need to be on the other side. So I shall. Do I push them through there? I'll have to take the other side off. When I put the LED strips in, you'll see how dirty my case really is. That was quite... Oh. Should I take them off? No, I can't. Not this time. Okay, yeah, that's not gonna work too well. Here and there. Don't stare into the light, it might hurt. Very flimsy. Okay, so what are we dealing with here? That's the SSD, so we'll move that out of the way for now. And we'll get these back. My eyes are done. It's quite fiddly. I should probably take these fans out, they're in the way constantly. So I presume I'm going to put them up, I guess. And I might have to let the cable go from there. Thankfully there's a big enough gap just here for cables to be in without being pushed against the other side of the case. So I shall, I will have to do that, yes. I'll have to take them off the, well, I'll have to split the electrical tape. Don't run with scissors and electrical tape and scissors. Very thick. Probably shouldn't have. Ow. Closed the scissor palm. Dumb figure. Nothing. Ugh. There we go. Now, should I try? I'm trying to put that back on. Didn't make any difference. Do I even need the electrical tape? No. It seems to work quite well. So it's just that cable with extra SATA. Just SATAs. These shiny wires. These got hot quick. They've only been on for a few, like, minutes. I guess since they're against something, such as a carpet, it makes a bit of sense. Oh, so much mess. Okay, I might have to take off those fans. If I remember how to take them off, that is. How do I... So much wire. I don't even know where they are. Okay, so they're screwed into the back. So I need to take the front off. I don't know how that will affect the front part. Ooh, they are dusty. That's what you get for buying a PC case that came with fans that didn't cost that much. I guess I won't get rid of where are the wires? Wait, give me the wires. Okay, so I need to keep turning this case around, it's annoying. Just to see where the wires are. So that wire comes through there. I can't see that on that side though. Give me a sec. Turn it fully. Okay, so that's that there. I can push this back through. Maybe. Or I could just put it over the top. Which is where all the other wires will go. For now, that's fine, I guess. It will look weird because it'll dangle, but it's just fine. I can't put these together though. Actually, I know I can. I just need to get rid of this cable tie. The more you know. These have 3-pin connectors. Wait, can I go into here? Technically, yes. I don't know how that will affect. Wait, can it? Oh no, this can't go into there. And that's a full, well, 3-pin, technically 4-pin. Wait, well, what about this one? This is the, I believe, the fan. That does not pump. What does that unplug? Oh, clearly not the one I wanted to unplug. I think I just unplugged the pump. Can't quite tell. Yeah, definitely not the one I wanted to unplug. Okay, now back to this routing. God, this cable's tight. Maybe I could reroute over around where the I/O goes. Eee, dust on a braided cable. Not pretty thing to see. Okay, so hot wires. Very hot. They have hair on. It's an issue without the carpet. So much hang-ups on it. Release me foul wire. I'll tidy that up there. Kinda wish there were more indents for wires to run. Like if I had something going around this side, but now you don't always do that. You can't really have many wires going around this part anyway, but yeah, it's good though. Now let's try this. Is that the USB 3? Yeah, it is. So I should probably put it here. Here-ish. Oh. What's happening here? Whoops. There we go. Clip it over there. There we go. That holds it in place and I can put these there at some point. And as far as routing goes, that's fine. That's it. Yes? Yes. Yeah? Okay. Fan cable's getting in. Hasty. Yes. Okay, now putting the white side back on. No. So flimsy. Okay, so it goes on top. Looks very bright on the outside. No, top. Somewhere here. I should turn this around so I can actually see it. Kind of hot though. My tripod can't get very low. Like it's at its lowest point right now. So you have to bear with like this. So these aren't tangled. Nope, not tangled. Okay, good. Yeah, it's not a very pretty thing those come forwards. I might have to tilt this. It's a good thing I have some books to kind of hold it. Don't get wire trapped. There's quite a few wires there. Oh well. Okay, so let's see these magnetic damn tape. Where am I gonna put them? I'll put one at the front. Yeah, I can't really put one at the bottom. I could try. What if I put one? Well, judging by their wire lengths, not very far apart. Yeah, I'd put one there, but would it be going like that? It's a good way to hide it, I guess. But if we put it facing down, would it be better? Okay, I can't seem to get it to face now. Looks better that way, I guess. Yeah, that way's better. It's just hiding the cable, which is very long. So if I drop that one back down, or try to get it back down, it's pushing its way back down. Let's see, what about up here at the front? Yes. Temporarily. that's there. And we could have this one down here, I guess. Oh, no, that one won't go down. Joy. About there-ish. What's here anyway? Oh, right, that thing. For the front shroud. It's mostly good. It's fine. No, definitely not down there. Eek, so much dust. If I brought this up, could I have it? Okay, it seems to be stuck. Yeah, this won't. No, okay, that's fine. So, front and side? Or front and here? Thinking here, but no, it would be too dark then, down here. Put it in there like that. There we go. That looks pretty good, I guess. Now to get around to do it, I'll move the scissors out the way. Out of harm's way. Extra which I didn't need. Random bag for the LEDs. Maybe at some point I'll get more. But maybe not right now. Okay. About mounting. I might have to put my case down. Yeah, I'll put my case down. Just so I get a better view. Oh. BT disc has dropped. Oh, a big mess of cables there. What's happening? Oh, one cable stuck underneath. It's a USB, but what is it for? Oh, a microphone, of course. Okay, so I wrote that down. Would it make any difference? Not very short. There's a cable. Okay, I'll unplug my microphone for now. Big cable. God, if this wasn't so long, it'd be a bit easier. Wait, will this even fit across here without? Yeah, sure. What if I put it there instead, though? What would that be attached to? There's a little thing there. Oh my god. Get out of the way, my legs. Okay. So these aren't magnetic at all. No. A good quality though. For the price. 2 for £4. Or at least the 3M. Oh, I'm stuck inside. Okay, I pretty much only have one chance to do this. Ah, I'm shaking. Maybe it's because it's hard. Okay, I have 2 chances to do this. Because I just failed one. Oh, this damn tape is good. Sticky. There we go. One strip in. Reasonably straight, I guess. The cable's in the way. Very much in the way. Also down. Now this other cable. It's good. Oh god, stuck. How much clearance do I have there? Not much. 2 beams. If we can just find the end of the cable. Okay, enough cable. 3 and 2. Cover. One shot. Move that to the side. And we're done. I think. The bomb part can really stay stuck. Okay. Ooh. That was quite some work. Now to stand it back up again. also plug the microphone back in. Now, where are you, microphone cable? I believe it was in a USB 3 port. There we go. Now to put the glass back on. I don't really clean it that much, but it's reasonably clean. Oh, sorry, I need to do that. Do I do that first or after? I put the caution thing on the case, the glass, so I know which way to put it. Very bright and very dusty. At some point I'll get rid of that fan because it is quite loud apparently. Well, from what I found. It's either that one or it's the graphics card fan, which I replaced myself. Oh yeah, so just so you can see it now. I don't know. That's how bright it looks and how minimalist it has become. I'll just quick look at it. It's really hot though. Hey, looks reasonably okay, minus the dust. See, if it was all dusty and you couldn't see the fact that I wiped it where I've touched it, then it would look clean. Maybe, I'm thinking maybe one at the back would have been better as well, but oh well. I have sufficient lighting for now. So, thank you for watching, and I guess when I upload this I shall put the link to what I bought in the description. See ya later.